With the help of two clamps, it's very easy to control the tile level. If the nail cutter has nothing to grab, use pliers or wire cutters and hold the nail with them. We attach a razor blade to a wooden bar, then we screw a long screw into this bar, and now look at what we'll do. Perfectly smooth hole in the cardboard. It's very simple. We'll make holes in two wooden plugs, and now the hole in the wall. Pull the clamp through the plug and gently push it inside. Now you can attach a wire to the clamps, and the plugs will not let the structure fall apart. It remains only to trim the access. Is the lock tongue constantly knocking on the door? Let's take it apart. To begin with, we'll remove it from the door, and now we'll untwist the box. Turn the tongue to the other side, return everything to its place, and the problem is solved. We will fasten two steel covers together and make several through holes in them. We will pass the screw through the center and fix it with a dowel on the other side. Now, when drilling the wall, all the dust will accumulate in this container, and after work, it can easily be thrown out. If the screw cap thread is torn off, we'll use the elastic band, piece of rubber, and even ordinary Scotch tape. Look how easy it is to unscrew it now, even with the thread torn off. If the screw enters the wood with too much difficulty, soap it up beforehand or even right in the process. Now it literally slips inside. We cut off the caps of the wood. We cut off the caps of 3 screws with a grinder. Now we connect them with clamps, cut off the access, and get a new homemade drill for a screwdriver. Just look how well it works. Screw 2 nuts on the bolt. As you can see after that, they are easy to unscrew. But what if you pre-smear it with glue? It's already more difficult, but even a monkey wrench can handle it. It takes too long to cut off the excess part of the wooden plug with a conventional saw, but the grinding machine copes with this in seconds. Well, what's left to do is to polish the surface slightly, and the wood is just like new. Prepare a bar with a through hole and 2 cavities for the saw teeth. Now we pass a wooden stick through this structure by rotating the screwdriver, and what we get? A neatly worn rod. Without removing it from the screwdriver, you can immediately sand it with sandpaper. Take the hacksaw blades, 3 pieces at once, put them on top of each other and fasten them on each side with bolts and nuts. The main thing is to fix them firmly. With the help of such a tool, you can leave wide recesses or even just sand the whole surface in a few moments. Now it's smooth. Let's take your ordinary rubber band, pinch it in with our pinky finger, hold it behind with the thumb, and hook it onto the nail of the index finger. Now you've got a real weapon at your hands.